Hello everyone. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. No? Today ay December 16, 2020. Palapit na po yung Pasko. Advance Merry Christmas. And sa mga OFWs around the world, no? Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And yung mga nasa Pilipinas, no? Good morning po. It's already 2:31 in the morning. No? Uh, Today we'll check the PCI. Kung umangat ba si PCI ngayon or bumaba, no? As per our discussion yesterday, we need to uh, check the inclined support, no? Kung di niya ma-break yung inclined support. And shout out to my previous colleague here in Saudi, no? Engineer Angel Sato and Engineer Matthew Ustan and Engineer Jerome Alvarez, no? And to Engineer Roberto Cayabyab. Now, we'll check the PCI. We'll go to the chart. Now, today, ito po yung chart natin sa Philippine stock market, no? PCI. And hello to Engineer Edwin Bilan and to Engineer Eric Lomontad and to Rap Libby Morano and Ivan Davey Wakiri and Maynard Castro and John Marching, no? And Dave Maiban and also May Reyes. Thank you for your support, no? Now, today we will check the PCI. As we discussed yesterday, PCI ay nasa malapit na mo sa may resistant area, this area, no? This is the resistant area, this inclined line. So there's a possibility that PCI will reach this area, either this area or this area, no? So if you see the EDX still above 25, RSI is 65, not yet in overbought, and MACD is cruising down, no? Still below the signal line. So we need to wait if there is a crossover of the low line going up again to the signal line. No? Today there is a paring selling of 501.32 million. So we'll check the price movement. This is the inclined resistance, this line above. This is the strong inclined resistance, but still the horizontal support still nag-hold pa naman, no? And this horizontal line, this is the one we discussed yesterday, that we need to see that this horizontal support ay hindi ma-break, no? And now, he's trying to break this incline, this resistance above, this horizontal resistance, no? If ever, break na yan, this is the next possible line we need to watch for PCI, no? This horizontal resistance above, provided that this inclined support is still mag-hold. But if ever na ma-break ni PCI itong inclined support, then we need to see another price movement, no? And after that, we will watch if there is a bullish pattern. No? We're always what's the bullish area or the bullish pattern. If there's a bullish pattern, then it is good, no? But for now, PCI is still holding, and we are hoping that PCI will break this resistant line above. So this is the next target, uh, the next resistant above. So I hope that as a PCI, no, and it will reach above this line, this incline line, resistant above this line. If we see the ADX still above the zero line, so we hope that PCI will climb up to this resistant line, this incline resistant line. So now we will uh, check the PCI. Thank you for watching, Patrick Bot Santiago. No? He's my energetic foreman, no? In our building trade crew. To Tariq and Islam and Gulpam, no? Thank you for your support. Now let us continue with the requested stock. By the way, disclaimer: it is not this review is not intended for buying, but this is only sharing of ideas. No, it's better if there is sharing of ideas so that we can get another ideas also from other people. No? So if you have ideas about stock market, just share to us also. So it's good, no? We share each other. So this insight, this is not recommended for buying, no? This is only for my own insight. If what is the next price movement, possible price movement of the price, but it is not recommended for buying. And here in the stock market, the important is the support and resistance. So what we are doing here, we are watching the where is the support and where is the resistance area. And we know already that support, this is the area where the buyer is waiting. And for resistance, this is the area where the seller is waiting. So if there is a rejection on the resistance area, so of course you need to act, no? If you have shares, you buy it in the bottom, and it reaches to the resistance area, and there's a rejection. Of course, it is good if you will take some of your profit, no? Because the possibility if there's a rejection in the support resistance area, of course there is a retracement of the price. And if there is a retracement, we don't know when it will be back on that area. So that's why we need to see and watch every time where the price is going. No? So now let's start with the Bloom. And shout out also to Engineer Jameson Marin and to Engineer Jonathan Santo and to my previous board mate, no, Gary Carmona. Thank you. So now let us check the uh, chart of Bloomberry, no. So Bloomberry Resource Corporation, uh, ito po yung price movement ni Bloomberry. As we know, all the stock is going down last March, and they are trying to recover. And Bloomberry now price is above all the exponential moving averages. So the EMA 20 is 8.54. Now the closing price of Bloomberry is above 8.54. So now still the price above all the exponential moving averages. This line with the blue line, red line, and orange line and green line, This line is called as moving averages. So it will act also as support, no, and resistance. If the price are going down near the EMA, the exponential moving averages, there's a possibility that there's a bounce, no. So if you see here, there's a bounce when the price near the EMA 20. But we need to see if the EDX is above 25. If the EDX is above 25, it means it is trending. No? But for the case of Bloomberry, it is below 25. Now the EDX is 11.96. So there's no strength uh, to post the price above, no? Because the EDX is still below 25. Now the RSI is good because it is below 70. It is 59.23. Still considered as bullish, but the one thing we need to see is the EDX. No, there's no strength. If we see MACD is closing down. So we need to be careful and uh, monitor the price because the MACD is going down the signal line. So it means the momentum is weak. So today there is a parent ceiling of 6.64 million. So if we see that there is a crossover again with the MACD to the signal line, then we need to watch the next price movement. If we see here in the price action, this is the incline support that we project, no, last time. We want on that time that the price of Bloomberry hindi po ma-break itong incline support. But Bloomberry break it, and this incline support it's become a resistance. So now when the price visited in this area, there is a rejection. No? But for me, if I am the one, I will wait Bloomberry so we can put minor resistance. We will try in this area. So now, if Bloomberry will go above this line, and there is a sideways movement or the price ay may mag-hold sa area na ito, yung horizontal line, so we need to watch, no? But for now, still is below on this line, no? So we need to watch if the price going up above of this horizontal resistance. Because this area is considered as a bullish area. But for now, still nandito pa siya sa ilalim. It means the momentum is still weak. No? So we need Bloomberry to uh, to go up, no, above. The price will go up above on this horizontal resistance, this line. So if ever angat si Bloomberry, then we need to watch if there is a bullish pattern on this area. So we need to monitor Bloomberry if he will go up on this location. So if ever he will go uh, like this direction, if ever he will go up and then there is a pullback going down, and this horizontal line ay mag-hold, then we need to watch. Because we can see that there is a aggressiveness of the buyer when this horizontal support ay mag-hold. So if ever angat siya diyan, we will reach this next resistance and then there's a rejection and he going back on this line. So we need to watch if there is ay mag-hold itong horizontal line na ito. And then there's a bullish pattern. So this is good if there's a bullish pattern. But for now, we need to wait for another opportunity. As I said, we need to watch the price going up above on this horizontal resistance line. So we need to see, no? and monitor the price movement of Bloomberry. So next one is BPI, no? Shout out to Danilo, Engineer Danilo Mapad and Engineer Kasan Ong and Engineer Ruben Paltriguera, no? Trabaho, no? So, hello po sa inyo lahat. So, Patrick Booth Santiago and Engineer Edwin Bilan for your support. So, Engineer Peter Dominic, no? Now let's go to the next one is BPI, no? So we need to see the price movement of BPI. So last time we discussed the price movement of BPI, but still BPI ay nandito pa rin, no? Hindi pa rin siya gumagalaw, no? Still below this horizontal resistance, no? So we need to watch if this inclined support is still mag-hold. And then if there's a breakout of this inclined resistance, this line, then they will go up above on this horizontal line, then this is good for BPI. So we need to watch if there's a pullback on this area. But for now, still the momentum is weak because this line, above on this line, this is the bullish area, no? This inclined resistance and this horizontal resistance. But for now, still nandyan pa rin si BPI, no? So we need to watch hindi ma-break ni BPI itong incline support. But if ever BPI may break itong incline support, then this is the next support that we need to see, no? This line below, this area, no? Support is an area, no? Not there is no fixed value where is the support, no? But it is an area. So any price bounce on this area and then mag-hold, then it's good, no? But take note, when the time, if ever BPI will go this horizontal support below, this is now called as a bearish pattern. So we need to take care because bearish pattern, maybe there's a possibility that he will break this horizontal support, no? So we need to take care, no? But we need to watch now if this inclined support ay mag-hold. But if ever BPI ay ma-break itong horizontal resistance and this inclined resistance, so it is good, no? But kung wala pa kayong position na if ever ma-break niya, then hold, wait for retracement. So this is the best way because we don't know, maybe it is a false breakout. So we will see. If MACD crossing up, then it's good, no? But we will see now the MACD is still below the signal line. So this is the blue line is below the red line. So it means the momentum is still weak. We need to wait if there is a crossover of this blue line to the red line going up. So but for now, price movement, price direction is still not considered as bullish, no? So we will watch, no? If this inclined resistance ay ma-break and this inclined support ay mag-hold. So this is the one we need to watch for BPI. Now EDX still above 25, so it's good. But for the only questions here is the MACD, no? It's below the signal line. It's crossing below the red line. So we need to watch and monitor if there's a breakout of BPI, breakout of the resistance. So now next one, we will check the next is EEI, no? Shout out to Engineer Edwin Vergara and to Engineer Ryan Lasaka and Engineer Cass Richard Lorono And to Jonathan also, to Franz Naboa, thank you. And to Henry Six Abonitalia, and to my nephew, no? Engineer Kenneth Akas. No? So now, let's continue to EEI. No? EEI. So EEI is climbing. No? This starting from this area. No? Last September. No? It's continue going up. And if you see here, this is the previous price pattern of EEI, this area. There's a triangular pattern, and when EI break it, then the EI price climb above AB 200 or above all exponential moving averages. Now, still the price is above the exponential moving averages. So if you see the MACD, tingnan natin yung MACD, MACD is cruising down. No? So we need to see because it is widening down. If the MACD is widening, it means it is a sign of weakness. No? So now, we see the EDX is below 25. It is 15.36. So, mahina po yung strength uh, ni EEI. No? And MACD and RSI is still above. No? 50. It's 54.69. So, for me, no, if I'm the one, I need EI to climb above this horizontal line, and it will stay on this line, and still this inclined support I mag-hold, then this is good for EI if you will climb, no, above on this line. So this is only my opinion, not it is not recommended for buying, because this area, this is a resistant area. So when he will go up on this line, it means this area considered as bullish area. No? So we need to watch if the price ay mag-hold on this inclined support and this horizontal support. If ever ma-break ni EEI. No? So if ever ma-break niya, then this is the next price we need to watch, this next resistant line. So we just monitor, no, the price movement of EI. If ever another scenario, no, if ever this horizontal support, this line, and this inclined support and a break, then it will go down on this area. So dito natin makita, we need to watch near the EMA 50, this red line. If ever this horizontal support and a break, and this inclined support break. So this is the next movement, possible direction of EEI. No? So if ever EEI will climb back above on this line, this horizontal line, then it's good for EEI. And the inclined resist support I mag-hold. So we need to see EEI above on this area. So we need to watch EI on this area. Okay? If we will stay in this area, we will monitor if the price will not break this inclined support and this horizontal support. So, next one is Ani. Last time we discussed about Ani because he is creating a bullish pattern, but on that time na-break po ni Ani, no? So if you see the overall price pattern, this area is a resistant area. Now When the price go up above on this line, this is considered as a bullish area. But Ani, when the price going up above on this line, it is good, no? But when the price retrace, hindi po nag-hold yung linya na ito, no? Hindi na-hold ni Ani. So this line, hindi na-hold ni Ani, then the incline support ay na-break. So napunta po yung price ni Ani dito sa baba. But hindi na siya nakaabot dito sa may support area. Dito lang sa may May 20. Now, if you see, I did not remove this incline support dahil ito po ay I use it as a reference, no? If ever the price will go up again on this line, and especially he will go up above AMA 200, then this is a good signal for Ani. This is only my personal opinion, no? If, if the price will go up above the AMA 200, this green line, and this incline support ay still mag-hold, if ever babalik siya dito sa may taas, it will go back above on the AMA 200, and there is a accumulation or creating a bullish pattern, then it is good for Ani, no? Provided that this incline resistance support ay mag-hold. If ever ma-break niya, then keep away muna. We need to wait for another price movement of Ani. So for now, we need to wait if price will go up above AMA 200, and if there is a retracement, AMA 200 will hold the price, no, and this incline support. So, but for now, as I said, just wait until the price go up above AMA 200, and this AMA 200 and this incline support ay mag-hold. If you see the ADX still below the signal line. Now, ADX is below 25, MACD is below the signal line. But the RSI is still not below 50, no? Still above 50. It is 50.025. So for now, we need to watch the price going up above AMA 200, and if there is a retracement, AMA 200 will hold the price and this incline support. If ever hindi siya babalik dyan, then wait for another opportunity, another price movement of Ani. We saw the ADX here is still below 25, MACD below the signal line. But still above the AMA zero line, but it is below the signal line. So this is my final thoughts for Ani. I need to watch the price. It will go up above AMA 200, and if there is a pullback, then I will say if there is a mag-hold po yung price at the AMA 200 and the incline support this area, this line. Shout out to Virgilio Magna, no, and Coach Barques in Canada, to Engineer Victor Miguel Pinat and El Espirito, to Engineer Loreto Corpus also. Now let's go to the last stock, which is RCI, no? So RCI, we discussed this one in the previous topic, that we need to watch the price movement of RCI. On this time here, this area, we review it that If ever the price will mag-hold itong incline line, the support, then it's okay for RCI. But hindi po na hold ni RCI itong incline support na break po niya, then the price is going below the reaching the AME 50, AME 100 and AME 200. But there is a bounce when the price hitting this EMS. No, as I said, AME also act as support and resistance. So when the price break this incline support, the price is going down and the EMAs are holding, no? And there's a bounce back, and now he is above again this horizontal line and this incline support. Now it's become support, no? This resistance will become support, and this horizontal resistance also become support. Now we need to watch because if we see the previous price movement of RCI, it is near the resistance incline resistance. So if you see here, first, second, we'll check it out if there is another one. Okay, this is the area where the price is rejected. So it means this is resistant area. So this area also the same. This area, the price is rejected and the price is going down, and the price recovering, and then when the price reaches on this area, again there is a rejection. Now we're going back and then trying to reach again on this area now. So malapit na po siya sa may inclined resistance. So if ever this inclined support ay mag-hold, AME 200 ay mag-hold, then there is a possibility that this inclined resistance ay mag-break ni RCI. So we need to watch closely this inclined support mag-hold, AME 200 ay mag-hold, and he's going sideways. There's a possibility that RCI will break this incline resistance. Now if you see MACD is going above the signal line. No? This red line is crossing, the blue line is crossing the red line. So now is above the signal line. If you see ADX is above 25, it is 29. Still not in an overbought condition. So we need to watch closely and monitor the price movement of RCI. That he will stay above on this incline support and horizontal support and AMA 200. So we'll see, no? But for now, we need to watch, no? Monitor the price movement of RCI because there's a possibility that if that case will happen, this incline resistance ay ma-break po ni RCI. Will, if that movement will materialize, no? If this movement hold this incline support, the price above ME 200 and the horizontal support ay mag-hold, then we need to see if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. So thank you for watching Ronald Ponsalano, Emotero. No? So his channel, Emotero. And to Carlo Dampel, Engineer Lars Amogis, to Krishna Prasadshya and Rowen Nolan Dimelio. Thank you for your support. to Rosalito Giangan and Saldi de la Peña and Engineer Junel Galbi. So thank you for your support, no? So I hope you learned something about this discussion. If you have comment and if you think you learned something about this discussion, don't forget to subscribe and put your comments. No? If you have questions about uh, trading in the stock market. So, and I'm very proud and thank you to the viewers also, to Patrick Bot Santiago, no? And to Engineer Edwin Bilan and Imotero. Imotero, thank you for your support. And that's all for today. God bless us all always.